It just looks too beautiful right now. So, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but it's like a thunderstorm's right behind this huge dust cloud, which is moving right now. So you can see the edge right there. There's a dust storm on the left, and then there's a thunderstorm right behind it, which is very beautiful. It just looks so beautiful. I can't believe it. I was so amazed on my ride down south on 28th Street. I just felt so happy just seeing this thunderstorm or rainstorm, what do you want to call it, / dust storm. It's moving right now. That's the best viewing point, I guess, but it's pretty big. So the dust storm is here. Caught it right towards the end of my bike ride. Oh man, there's so much sand. Oh boy, you can't see anything anymore. I guess I should have hurried. But it's pretty great. You can't see anywhere south. It's all dark and stuff down there. There was a bunch of light right now. Oh man, I love this. I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. I just want to stand here the rest of the day, or night, I should say. You can see the storm. We're in it right now. I'm getting dust in my mouth. Oh, this is going on YouTube. Oh man, I can't see a thing. This is great. And there's some guy over there who's angry about something. I got too much dust in my mouth. Here's some bicyclist going home. Oh man, getting so much dust. Oh man, this is too beautiful. Beautiful. You can't see. Visibility is so low right now. Huh?
What do you think the fire's at?
There's a fire?
Yeah.
I don't see a fire. I just see a dust storm right now. It's a dust storm.
What the?
It's a dust storm.
It looks like the end of the world. I can't even see like.
Are you new to Arizona?
Nah, hell no. It's raining on it too.
Yeah, the rainstorm's pushing the dust over here. So it's like a rainstorm and a dust storm at the same time. The rain should be here pretty soon. Man, visibility is so low right now. I'm gonna walk home right now. Oh man, I can't see a thing. And this is 28th Street in Osborne, just to let you know. Boy, I can't see over there. That's looking westbound at Osborne. You can't see a damn thing. Oh. I'm in the dust right now. Oh boy. Can't see a damn thing. Oh man, this is great. I love it. Oh man. I feel like I have to get off the street. Everyone else pulled over. Actually, this is the first dust storm I'm in, despite all the years I've lived here. And actually, when a dust storm did roll in, I was at home, inside, out of the dust storm. It's a good thing I have my bike. Flashlight. Right now, because it'd be very difficult to see, and it still is, but it's not too bad. I got a lot of dust in my mouth, but I don't care right now. It's just too beautiful. It's too beautiful. You're like, how can you enjoy this kind of weather? I'd be scared or something. I don't know. I'm sure there are people out there right now who are saying that. You can't see a house. I can't see a house anymore. All I see is the lights that are coming off of buildings and homes. It's like just homes. There's one building here, I know for sure. And you can hear the sirens going off. I also have a rear end light on my bicycle. Can't see it right now. But, well, they bite you. No, that's not good. It's right there, so people from behind can see, or can see that I'm here. But man, you could barely see the lights on the cars. You could barely see them. You can't see them at a distance anymore. You just disappear after a little while. Commentary on weather, isn't that great? I can't wait to show this to you guys. If you're watching this, you're watching it. It's great, man. You're missing out. You're in Chicago, those are in Chicago. My brothers, my fellow brothers from Chicago. Not as in brothers, but as in like, you know, the beloved. Man, I hope I don't miss my street. I guess this is what, I don't know, maybe not. I guess I was about to say that you would need to take the driver's license or driving test again here in Arizona. Just because, well, the writing portion at least, because, oh man. Because they want you to know what to do when you're in a dust storm like this, but it's not as different as being in a snowstorm, a rainstorm. Tough. I think this is my street, or maybe not. I think so. I can't see a thing. As soon as I get to the corner, I should be able to tell. Earl. About to cross the street. Hopefully I don't get hit. Because I don't want to get hit. Boy. Sorry for my camera shooting right now. Because I have to watch from, you know, my point of view and not the camera's. And now I'm heading east. I just have to go down the street and then I should reach 32nd Street. One of the things about this street is that there are no sidewalks, which is terrible. I feel like I should cover my mouth. I don't have anything to cover my mouth with. You can hear the thunderstorm. So yeah, this dust storm got pushed in here from the rainstorm that's approaching. And it's now surprising because it's been pretty dry, very dry for a while. You know, and you got a lot of dry soil, so it's very easy for the wind to pick it up. And we're overdue for a rainstorm. So that's why it's as bad as it is right now. It's gonna be a pretty long video. I'm probably gonna record for a little bit more, or maybe I'll just cut it here until I get towards the end, because there's only a 15-minute limit on YouTube. So, wish me luck, guys. And there's probably gonna be whatever.